Bitcoin, often referred to as the world's first cryptocurrency, is a digital form of money that operates on a decentralized network known as blockchain. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has revolutionized the financial landscape. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature, meaning it is not controlled by any central authority such as a government or a financial institution. Instead, transactions are verified by network participants through complex mathematical computations, ensuring the security and integrity of the system. Bitcoin's value is determined by supply and demand dynamics in the market. As a finite resource, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This scarcity, coupled with growing interest and adoption, has contributed to its increasing value over time. Bitcoin transactions are conducted pseudonymously, meaning users can send and receive funds without revealing their real-world identities. This has made it a popular choice for those seeking privacy and security in their financial transactions. The underlying technology behind Bitcoin, blockchain, is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across the network. This transparent and tamper-proof system has the potential to revolutionize various industries beyond finance, such as supply chain management, voting systems, and more. However, it's worth noting that Bitcoin's volatility is a characteristic that investors and users should consider. The price of Bitcoin can experience significant fluctuations, and it's essential to exercise caution and do thorough research before engaging with it. In recent years, Bitcoin has gained mainstream recognition and acceptance. Many businesses, including major companies and online retailers, now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Additionally, various financial institutions have started offering services related to Bitcoin, such as custody and trading. Bitcoin has also inspired the development of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, collectively known as altcoins. These alternative digital currencies often aim to improve upon Bitcoin's limitations or introduce new features. In conclusion, Bitcoin has emerged as a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of digital currencies. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and potential for disrupting traditional financial systems have captivated the attention of investors, technologists, and individuals seeking alternative means of exchange and store of value.